Meteorology has issued flood warning for the east coast of Australia. This is via the climate outlook for the remainder of this year and being reported in the media. Here's a look at the GFS precipitation model, information extracted from the Pivotal Weather website. This Force 13's regional AU channel with the latest on the developing weather systems. Will we see a flood watch? Gale wind warning. Flood warnings remain in place, and a look at the latest tropical outlook information. However, we start off with the instability level from 10 AM through to 2200 hours tomorrow, and some of the following imagery out to 10 AM Monday. We're keeping an eye on the Gulf of Carpentaria region. Trough marching across eastern Australia will collide with deep moisture over northeast Queensland early this week and set the rain gauges tipping. Now this is the precipitation and pressure information at the bottom of the screen. The last 4 to 5 days have seen heavy rainfall of 100 to 300 millimetres of rain over the Kimberley northwest top end in the first monsoonal surge of northwesterly winds this season. This pattern is going to shift eastward on Monday and Tuesday with heavy rain and deep northwesterly winds setting in over Queensland for Monday the 28th. Northwesterly winds throughout the depth of atmosphere up to 41,000 feet across northern Australia or northern Queensland. Meteorology has issued a top priority severe thunderstorm warning for heavy rainfall from the North Tropical Coast, the Tablelands, Northern Gulffields, the Upper Flinders, the Herbert, Lower Burdekin and the Peninsula forecast districts. Severe thunderstorms with heavy rainfall now developing over the tropical interior. This is a look at the winds at the 850 millibar level. Severe thunderstorms likely produce heavy rainfall and flash flooding in the warning area over the next several hours. Lyndhurst Station in Chilligo, Mount Garland and Greenvale. Mounds Road, TM, recorded 83 millimetres in the hour of 1400 hours. Severe thunderstorm activity developing, and for Sunday a strong wind warning for the Sunshine Coast and Gold Coast waters. And for Sunday, Sydney close waters, Byron, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden Case will be under a strong wind warning. The Bureau's 12-hourly rainfall information, and the rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen. Tasmania has a gale warning for the southwest coast and central west coast. Tropical cyclone 3-day outlook for the Gulf of Carpentaria has been updated. Trough is expected to develop across the eastern Arafura Sea, Gulf of Carpentaria from Tuesday next week. A tropical low may develop along the trough over Northern Gulf of Carpentaria for midweek. The low is expected to be steered towards the northern Cape York Peninsula by Friday or Saturday, and the environment conditions are only slightly favourable for development before the low moves over land. The Bureau's total forecast of rain and how the picture changes. The risk of this low developing into a tropical cyclone is considered to be low on Thursday and Friday. Also keeping an eye on the area south of Mackay and the Coral Sea region. We might see something appear either at those two locations. The Bureau Meteorology has advised people that the remainder of this year is going to be wet and cold, and a triple threat from the La Nina, although the La Nina is still around. Now we'll have a look at the environmental factors. This is the upper level divergence, and a little bit of high divergence around the Fiji Vanuatu region. And this a bit of footage from one of the two Mount Buddha webcams. Wind shear systems don't like the area in red. The green is favourable, yellow is neutral. Now the 24-hour shear tendency, tropical systems love the area in blue to green. And repeating, the Bureau Meteorology has updated a tropical cyclone 3-day outlook for the northern region. Nothing going on in the Coral Sea at this point in time, and the Bureau has a severe thunderstorm warning for heavy rainfall in North Queensland is going to be hit hard, and the 850 millibars vorticity.